Today we're going to show you how to make a quick DIY tree circle that's so easy it should be illegal. First, we'll need a few supplies. That includes marking paint, some string, if you have one, an edger, rake, and the star of the show, mulch. First, you take a length of string. Depending on the size of the tree, 1 or 2 feet of a tree circle diameter should do. I would take the length of your arm. It's a good guess for at least 2 feet. But we need a little extra because we're going to make a loop. Start by tying the rope around the tree, but not too tightly so that it has room to move. Now comes the fun part. With your can primed and ready, and your string attached, you hold the can and the spray at the same time. Perfectly even on all sides. Next, take the edger, or you can use a shovel, and dig around the base of the circle. Get rid of all that top grass and any extra loose dirt. Let's get this guy covered with some mulch. For this project, we're going to use some Pro Mulch, a nice dark brown color. Use your wheelbarrow and spread the piles around the base of the tree so it's somewhat evenly spread. And rake in the rest. Mulch helps suppress weeds and keeps the life of the tree lasting longer, covering the roots. Sometimes you need a little extra. When spreading the mulch, make sure you don't pile it too high around the base of the tree, otherwise it'll suffocate. And there you have it, a perfect circle, a few easy steps, and some mulch to protect the tree. Hunter, what do you think?
It looks good. You probably should, put that pile of dirt in the wheelbarrow to start with, though.
I'm just a camera guy, I don't come out here anymore.